बहुत दुखी है।
Good evening and welcome. This is India Today. In fact, this visuals on your screen after a CMO, in fact, was threatening relatives of COVID-19 patient. Now there is massive outrage, and this, in fact, is coming in from Noida. These patients were touching the feet of the chief medical officer for the want of remdesivir, ladies and gentlemen. The chief medical officer can be seen threatening the kin with jail if they return to his office again. This is how the Uttar Pradesh government, in fact, is claiming that there is absolutely zero shortage of anything, of all facilities, be it beds or the medicines in the state of UP. These pictures absolutely tell you a story how desperate things are in Uttar Pradesh. And on the face of it, the chief minister and the entire bureaucracy right now only trying to put curtains, only trying to hide the truth. I'm Ankit Tyagi. This is 6 p.m. Prime. We are today coming to you live. I was in fact chasing a story here of how difficult it is for smaller hospitals to function at a time when the COVID-19 situation is at its peak in the national capital. And on the other hand, there are in fact people, those who are very, very desperate. Chasing that story, I reached here at the Bavana plant. Senior police officials behind me as well. I will get you the report of what we saw just a few moments back. But the situation, ladies and gentlemen, very, very upsetting, very, very disappointing, very, very desperate to say the least. Now, let's just very quickly give you a sense of overall numbers as far as India is concerned. Where are we standing in terms of the COVID-19 numbers? The active cases in the country now at 29,78,709. Cases in the last 24 hours, 3,60,960 deaths, 3,293 deaths so far, which has been recorded in the state, in the entire country. The story that I was chasing today of the difficulty that the smaller hospitals are facing in Delhi, we'll put that complete ground report out a little later. But I just want to first tell you what I saw here at the oxygen plant. You might think that I'm repeating what I'm saying, of earlier reports, but it's just heartbreaking how much struggle people have to go through just to get oxygen for their family members. Take a look at what we found here at this plant when we came here in the afternoon. It might seem repetitive to many of you who have been watching my show every day. The idea was to try and now see how hospitals are struggling at this oxygen filling plant right on the outskirts of the national capital here at the Bavana Industrial Area. People and their misery is just compounded by the fact that hours and hours, sometimes more than 24-hour long wait results to nothing. They are told at the gate of this agency that oxygen is finished, and then they will have to once again try somewhere else. Desperate people only asking questions, only asking for help. Where do we go if the government is not giving us beds in the hospital? Why are they also taking away the chance by not filling up these cylinders? Questions that are there, but possibly no answer at this moment, even with all the authorities. As you can hear behind me, once again, the announcements being made, there is no gas, there is no oxygen at this very plant. With Dinesh Lal, Ankit Tyagi, India Today.
बंदे आदमियों को कौन देगा सिलेंडर? मुझे ये बताओ, उन्हें कैसे बचाऊं मैं? 4 दिन से डॉक्टर ने बोला है रेगुलर विजिट चाहिए, उसे उन्हें रेगुलर डॉक्टर ने बोला रेगुलर सिलेंडर चाहिए, 3 के उस पे चाहिए सर। हमने 3 दिन तक 2 पॉइंट पे चलाया, हमें नहीं मालूम था कितने पे चलाना है। डॉक्टर ने बोला अगर 91 से नीचे गया तो ये नहीं, तो हम कैसे उसे मेंटेन करें, हम कैसे सिलेंडर अरेंज करें सर? बहुत दिक्कत है सर। इस फैमिली की हेल्प कौन करेगा जो ब्लाइंड है सर? कोविड हॉस्पिटल गए नहीं, एडमिशन नहीं होगा, कोविड पॉजिटिव है ये, क्यों नहीं होगा सर? ये ब्लाइंड है, ये ब्लाइंड हम कैसे करें इनका एडमिशन? इन्हें इनका ट्रीटमेंट कहाँ कराएं? घर में कराएं तो गैस नहीं है, ऑक्सीजन, अगर ऑक्सीजन गैस नहीं है तो इन अंधे आदमियों को कौन देगा ऑक्सीजन? कैसे करवाएं?
That was a very desperate man that we saw here today. I just want to tell you what is happening here. You know, the smaller hospitals, basically, those who don't have big facilities, those who don't get liquid oxygen, they are dependent on these big cylinders to supply, for supply as far as their patients are concerned. Hospitals where 50, 60, 70, 100 beds are concerned. Now, they've been sending their ambulances, and these ambulances have been standing here more than 24 hours. These, although, are the cylinders which have been left by people. Now, they have been standing for more than 24 hours, and you know, it's what I saw. Look at this, I'll just show you. There is a name here and a phone number, because they have been standing for such a long time that if the cylinder goes inside, at least they can get a call that the gas is filled. The police right now, what they have done, they have got people, the cylinders in line, but they have asked everybody to be beyond those barricades. And people here have been standing for a very, very long time. कब से खड़े हो आप?
जी मुझे हो गए 3-4 घंटे हो गए सर।
अच्छा, आपको 3-4 घंटे हो गए
जी।
तो कब का नंबर आएगा बताया उन्होंने कुछ आपको?
सुबह के लिए बोले हैं कि रात में आएगी गैस।
रात में कैसे गैस खत्म हो गई?
हाँ गैस खत्म बता रहे हैं।
तो आप छोड़ के जाओगे सिलेंडर अपना यहाँ पे?
नहीं जी, मैं यहीं पे खड़ा रहूँगा।
सुबह तक?
सुबह तक यहीं पे खड़ा रहूँगा, सिलेंडर लेके जाऊँगा।
घर में कौन है आपके जो किसी कोविड हो गया? मास्क ऊपर कर लो अपना। हाँ
भाई है जी।
भाई है।
हाँ
ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत है, डॉक्टर ने
जी
बताया?
ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत है जी।
You know, and you'll find a lot of such people. कौन सा सिलेंडर है आपका?
ये रहा मेरा सिलेंडर।
और लाइन में बिल्कुल आखिरी से एक पे आगे है. So this guy is going to stand the entire night, and entire night he's going to stand. You know, this also leads to a lot of people getting very angry. There is some argument, in fact, going on there. It's just the frustration of the people. Many of them. So this gentleman has been standing for 3 to 4 hours. There have been many others, those who have been standing for much longer, like these gentlemen, those who have been standing here you know, continuously for a very long time. I've been seeing them. Sir, कब से खड़े हैं आप इंतजार में? हाँ जी,
मॉर्निंग 10 AM।
10 बजे से खड़े हैं। कितने सिलेंडर आपको कर रहे हैं?
सर 4 सिलेंडर करने हैं अभी तो बेसिकली। छोटे सिलेंडर है। हाँ जी, गए हुए हैं।
वो जो छोटे सिलेंडर है, तो आपके अभी अंदर गए हैं?
हाँ जी।
आप वेट कर रहे हो फिर लोग के बाहर?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
कब, कितनी देर बाद आपका नंबर आया?
सर मॉर्निंग 10 AM से हम आए हुए हैं, नाउ इट्स 6।
हाँ,
तो काफ़ी टाइम हो गया, अराउंड 8 hours.
Around 8 hours. You know, senior police officials have been coming here at this plant, trying to maintain law and order, because the situation right now is quite desperate as far as the people are concerned. Wherever you'll just see long lines of these cylinders waiting to be refilled. Ambulances, as I was telling you earlier, of various small hospitals have come here, and they stand here so that they can also get oxygen. Of course, there have been a lot of people speaking about the fact that inside this factory, they just don't use any token system, and people are being given in a very ad hoc manner. What I'll do, I'll just quickly try and walk a little further ahead, where there are these ambulances, these barricades that you see closing down. Beyond these barricades are these ambulances. Look at this, you'll just see them one after another. These are the ambulances, those who have been standing, and they are filled with ambulances, with these cylinders. क्या हो, आपका हो गया?
सर अभी हो गया।
कितने घंटे में? I met this man earlier. About a couple of hours back. कितने घंटे खड़े होने के बाद सिलेंडर मिले आपको?
सर मैं परसों आया था, आज मिला है। अब घंटे तो मैं नहीं जोड़ा कितने घंटे हुआ।
परसों आए थे कितने बजे?
लेकिन सबको यहाँ गैस मिल रहा है, सबको काम पूरा हो रहा है। ये भी पूछिए ना, लोग कहाँ से यहाँ आ रहे हैं।
आप कहाँ से आए हो?
मैं तो यहाँ अशोक वाले गुजरा वाले टाउन से आया हूँ। बाकी हमने सुनता हूँ कोई कहीं से आ रहा है, कहीं बागपत से आ रहा है, कोई।
तो अब ये सिलेंडर लेके हॉस्पिटल जाओगे?
जी सर, जी सर।
और वापस आओगे फिर दोबारा आके खाली सिलेंडर लेके?
आज तो नहीं आएंगे सर, कल देखेंगे।
This is so just imagine the wait, and this is an anxious wait, because while he's standing here, the hospitals are in fact continuously calling, asking what is the status as far as oxygen cylinders are concerned. There are many more ambulances. I'll just show you. There are many more ambulances standing here. That's the difficulty that small hospitals, 50-bed, 100-bed hospitals are facing. They don't have big plants which can help them, and they have been sitting here, waiting here for many hours. कितने घंटे हो गए बैठे हुए गाड़ी में?
सर हमें कल सुबह से 9 बजे से हैं हम।
कल सुबह 9 बजे से?
कल सुबह 9 बजे से हैं।
कितने सिलेंडर लेकर आए हो?
15।
नंबर आया अभी तक?
नहीं सर,
कुछ बता भी नहीं रहे? मास्क
नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं बता रहे तक। जब भी पूछो कहते अभी नंबर नहीं आया आपका, अभी नंबर नहीं आया आपका।
खाने पीने का कैसे कर रहे हो आप? जाना
पड़ता है 7 किलोमीटर दूर, लेके आ रहे हैं।
तो आप यहाँ पर हो, अस्पताल में ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत होगी तो फोन कर रहे हैं वो लोग लगातार?
कर रहे हैं कि सिलेंडर लेके आओ, सिलेंडर लेके आओ।
कौन सा अस्पताल से? आस्था हॉस्पिटल से। So this ambulance that you just saw, there have been people, those who have been waiting, I mean, at this very hospital, others as well, these ambulances from other hospitals as well. It's a very desperate situation, ladies and gentlemen, and every time I'll put across a mic, you'll hear the same things. And while sitting at home, you might feel, you know, it's just a repetitive thing which is going on. The fact is that despite these desperate cries, on the ground, hearings are going on in the court, governments are speaking to each other, governments are pointing fingers at each other. Nothing is changing on the ground. Imagine patients waiting for oxygen in an hospital while the ambulance is waiting to get refilled for 2 days in hope that they will get oxygen which they can take back. Okay, from here let me take you to Sardar Patel COVID Care Center and Hospital, which has been made in Chhatarpur. With a lot of fanfare, it was inaugurated. ITBP is manning the entire facility there. And day before I had gone there, it was a very desperate situation because there are 500 oxygenated beds. People are coming in from everywhere. They're not taking walk-in patients. So they are taking patients, those who come through registration and through DSO. DSO, in fact, will call you. But even those patients are being turned away. Now, there are families, those who are wanting to take their patients away, those who have already been admitted there, because they are now alleging that the facilities there are not up to the mark. Take a look at this story.
One of the most hyped COVID facilities in Delhi, Sardar Patel COVID Care Center, that has been opened just 2 days ago. But right now, people are not happy with the facilities.
सर यहाँ हम लोग सुबह 5 बजे से खड़े हैं, कोई सुनने को तैयार नहीं है हमारी बात को। हमारा पेशेंट अंदर सही है, नहीं है, जिंदा है, मर गया, कुछ कोई बता के राजी नहीं हो रहा हमारे को।
सर ट्रीटमेंट तो कुछ मिल ही नहीं रहा। हमने अंदर पेशेंट से बात करी है, वो कह रहे हैं कि सुबह आए थे और दवाई देकर गए पर पानी नहीं देकर गए। अब इंसान दवाई कैसे खाए? खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा। आधा किलोमीटर दूर इनको खाना खाने जाना पड़ता है, वॉशरूम जाना पड़ता है। कोई डॉक्टर देखने नहीं आ रहा। रात को ना कोई कंबल दे रहा है इनको, ना ऑक्सीमीटर, ऑक्सीजन थोड़ी देर के लिए लगाते फिर हटा देते हैं।
सब वापस हम भी यहाँ का माहौल देख रहे हैं। खुद इनके यहाँ स्टाफ जो गेट पे है ये कह रहे हैं अगर पेशेंट आपका सीरियस है यहाँ एडमिट मत करवाओ। जो
नॉट जस्ट unhappy about the facilities, they also want to get rid of this facility. They want to get their patient admitted in some other hospital or facility. So this is a bigger question. Why Sardar Patel COVID Care Center is not providing all what has been expected from government. With camera person Ritesh Mishra, it's Kumar Kunal from Sardar Patel COVID Care Center, Chhatarpur, for India Today.
So, we've been showing you reports after reports of how the entire health system in the national capital is in complete shambles. And, you know, the whole idea of getting you the reports from the ground is to try and tell the government where they are losing out, what needs to be done. But it's frustrating to see that, you know, even right now, things are not improving. It's been such a long time. Anyway, I just want to very quickly now take you to this report which has been filed by my colleague Preeti Chaudhary. She was out tracking an ambulance driver seeing life and death in an ambulance itself. Take a look.
This is a government hospital. They need to take people. Whoever is coming here is being turned away. Right behind me in this ambulance, there is a woman whose nephew can't find her pulse right now. That's how bad things are.
इनकी बेटी कॉल कर रही थी लगातार, तो ये उठा नहीं रहे थे, हम भी कॉल कर रहे थे तो उठा नहीं रहा था कोई भी, तो हमें शक हुआ कि कुछ ना कुछ अनफॉर्चुनेट हुआ होगा ज़रूर, कि कुछ ऐसी कंडीशन होगी इनकी कि जो ये कॉल नहीं उठा रहे हैं।
मैं एक दिन में 40-50 बॉडी लेकर आता हूँ GTB हॉस्पिटल से, एक बारी में 5-5 बॉडी मैं दिखा सकता हूँ, बॉडी को खोलकर। जिनका बॉडी छोड़ के भाग जाते हैं उनका संस्कार हम कर रहे हैं। छोड़ के भी भाग जाते हैं क्या डेली? अब जैसे 5 है, अभी 2 ही आए हैं और अभी 3 बॉडी वालों का परिवार का पता नहीं है। बंदा है क्या भैया?
In midst of shrieking sirens, turned away ambulances, shut gates to emergency. This city has lost its faith, one breath at a time.
Now, since you're talking about vaccination, ladies and gentlemen, it's very, very important. The CoWIN app is now open for people above 18 years, though you might not get a response or a appointment right now. But right now, as the COVID cases are peaking, there is a real worry that vaccination centers could also become super spreaders. So while you are going to the vaccination centers, you have to be extremely careful. Take a look at this report and please don't make the mistake or repeat the mistakes that we are pointing out right now.
Mumbai, Tiruvananthapuram, Kolkata. Crowds at vaccine centers seem to have crushed vaccine hesitancy in India. While vaccine is a shield against the corona infection, vaccine centers could turn out to be super spreaders. Because no social distancing, incorrect masking, masks on the chin, nose exposed, the risk of catching COVID-19 infection is high even at vaccination centers.
We are at the Nesco Vaccination Center in the suburban area of Goregaon in Mumbai. First of all, have a look at the long queue outside the vaccination center. The biggest fear among the Mumbaikars these days is whether or not they will get the vaccine in time or not.
As some centers run out of vaccines, angry outbursts at the centers have become common.
हमारा रजिस्ट्रेशन सायन हॉस्पिटल में था, अभी हम वहाँ गए, वो बोलते नहीं है। हमने बोला BKC में पहला डोज लिया, वहाँ जाएं, क्या बोले हाँ वहाँ स्टॉक है। तो हम टैक्सी करके आए अभी यहाँ पर, और अभी यहाँ बोल रहे नहीं, आप नंबर लेके जाइए।
7 हिल्स में हमने फर्स्ट डोज लिया था, वहाँ पे नहीं था तो हम यहाँ आए, तो यहाँ भी नहीं है, अब वापस घर जाएंगे।
वहाँ पे भी बंद है, फिर यहाँ पे आए।
These long lines tell you the story of people standing to get the second dose of the vaccination, whereas on the other side there are people waiting to get the first dose of the vaccine. There are senior citizens in this line and they are facing difficulties because standing in the sun, many of them have been standing from half an hour to some even 1.5 hours. There is no clarity when they're going to get their form. Those who've got their form, there's no clarity when they're going to get the second dose of vaccine, but they are waiting, they are hopeful.
While vaccine is the only antidote to save India from this crisis, COVID inappropriate behavior is doing much more harm than anticipated, especially during the second surge.
आप अनुशासन से काम कीजिए, कोई भीड़भाड़ वहां पर न कीजिए, और ऐसा न हो कि वैक्सीनेशन के सेंटर्स ये कोविड-19 संक्रमण के सेंटर्स बने, ऐसा न हो, ये खबरदारी हम सभी लोगों ने लेने की जरूरत है.
Expect more rush as vaccination opens for all above the age of 18 years.
The government and the health ministry have warned that only after taking a confirmed appointment booking on the CoWIN platform should one step out to the vaccine centers to get the jab, to avoid the sort of overcrowding that is being witnessed at this point. But the question is, will people wait now as COVID surges and the vaccine remains the only antidote against the virus? With Bureau Reports, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.